How to add table in Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add table in Canva. To add a table in Canva, first of all, you will need to open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, you will need to type in canva.com. Now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Canva. Here ensure that you are signed in to your account. Once signed in, you will land on this page. Now here, open an existing design or create a new one. Here I am selecting the recent designs. Simply click on the recent designs and then you will be taken to this page. Here you may scroll down and then click on this add page button at the very bottom in order to add a new page. Now once after you reach to this page, here at the left side you will be able to see this sidebar. From here you will need to select the elements option. After that you will be able to see the elements section. Now you will need to scroll down to find the tables option. If you didn't see this option, you may also click on the search bar at the top and there type in tables and then search for it. After that, you can click on the see all button to view all the available options. Now from here, choose a table and then click on it to add it on your design. Once you have added it, now you can drag the edges or use the resize options in order to resize your table. If you would like to add row or column, you can simply select the column or row and then click on the three dots icon. From here you can add or delete row and column. You can also select the cells and then use the color tools. You may also use the border tool to modify the style, color or thickness. Further, you can also merge the cells. For that you will need to select the cells and then click on the three dot icon. And from here, you will need to select the merge cells option. By doing so, you'll be able to merge them. You can also move the rows and columns and then format text as needed. So by following these steps, you should be able to add a table in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.